Artec Leo. Get ready for something truly impressive, but also pricey. The Artec Leo is a cutting-edge wireless 3D scanner that costs $34,100. Yes, that's about the same price as a used Tesla Model 3. So what makes it so special? This scanner is powered by smart AI technology and can capture large areas, up to 160,000 cubic centimeters, at lightning-fast speeds of 80 frames per second. That means it creates detailed and accurate 3D models really quickly. What's even cooler is how it works with Artec Studio software, which lets you mix the 3D scans with photos from other cameras. This helps create stunningly realistic 3D images that are perfect for designers, engineers, and artists who need precise models. The wireless design makes it easy to use anywhere without worrying about cables. Triton is a fun and unique travel machine that combines an electric bike, a tiny camper, and a boat, all in one. It's built for two people and is perfect for outdoor lovers who want to explore both land and water without rushing. On land, it rides at a gentle 25 kilometers per hour, and on water, it cruises at 8 kilometers per hour. While it's not the fastest, that's actually the point. It lets you slow down, relax, and enjoy the beautiful scenery around you. Imagine pedaling through the woods, then floating peacefully on a lake, all in the same vehicle. And if the battery ever runs out, don't worry. You can simply pedal or row your way back. It's adventure ready and always gives you a backup plan. The Bee Triton is more than just transportation. It's a cozy, mobile escape that turns every journey into a memory. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a lakeside picnic, this $11,000 amphibious camper bike offers something truly different. Coil Shot Condenser Cleaning Tool. The Coil Shot is a powerful and smart tool made to clean condensers and heat exchange units quickly and effectively. It's not for delicate electronics, but perfect for removing dirt, grime, and grease from the tough parts of air conditioners and cooling systems. Using this tool is super easy. Just attach it to a garden hose, and it uses special technology to blast away all the buildup. One of the best things about Coil Shot is that it only needs one or two cleaning tablets to do the job, unlike many other cleaners that require lots of chemicals. It also comes with a long 91 centimeters nozzle that helps you reach tight or tricky spots where dirt hides, saving you time and effort. Though the price is $78,000, it's designed for professionals who want a reliable and efficient way to keep condensers clean and working well. With Coil Shot, maintenance becomes faster, easier, and more effective. EasyG Manufacturing PM1 Air and Grip Hog Vacuum Lifters. EasyG Manufacturing lifters are designed to make lifting heavy stuff much easier and safer. The basic model can lift up to 34 kilograms, which is great for everyday jobs, while the strongest model can handle a massive 109 kilograms. Both have special handles to help you hold and move things with more control. The basic one has a T-shaped handle that lets you keep tiles and other materials perfectly level. For bigger loads, the stronger lifters come with an 8-shaped handle, so two people can lift together smoothly and safely. What makes these lifters even better are the attachments with memory foam. These soft yet firm pads grip materials tightly without damaging them, so you don't have to worry about scratches or slips. According to the company, using these lifters can cut your work time by nearly 40%, which is a huge boost in efficiency. Fisher Duotech fasteners are a clever solution for anyone working with drywall or other materials needing strong, reliable fixing. These self-drilling plugs are made from tough fiberglass reinforced plastic combined with stainless steel, so they're built to last and handle heavy-duty jobs. What makes Fisher Duotech stand out is its unique ribbed strip, which works kind of like a zip tie to hold things tightly in place. They're super versatile too, working perfectly with both regular screws and metric screws, so you don't have to worry about compatibility. The plugs are compact and easy to use since you only need a regular 10mm drill bit to install them. That means you don't need any special tools or extra effort. A pack of 50 plugs sized 10 by 50 millimeters costs about $76, making them affordable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. If you want a fast, strong, and easy way to secure drywall or similar materials, Fisher Duotech plugs are a smart pick. Fluid Logic GPR50. The Fluid Logic GPR50 is a smart and wearable hydration system that makes sure you drink water when you need it most, especially during intense outdoor activities like biking, hiking, or riding a motorcycle. It's easy to forget to stay hydrated when you're focused on the adventure, but this clever device does the thinking for you. It uses sensors to track your body and the environment, then figures out the perfect time and amount of water to give. When it's time to drink, it gently vibrates to remind you, and with one press of a button, it delivers just the right sip. What makes the GPR50 even cooler is how comfortable and easy it is to wear, even with full motorcycle gear or heavy outdoor clothing. It fits seamlessly into your gear, so you don't have to stop, reach for a bottle, or interrupt your activity. Glob Marble Rollers. Glob Marble concrete rollers are a game changer for anyone working with concrete. These smart rollers help you finish your concrete projects up to 5 times faster than usual. Made from tough polyurethane, they create smooth and stable textures that make your concrete look neat and professional. There's a perfect roller size for every job. For example, the RL Lovin 6111 model has a 28 centimeter wide roller that makes a beautiful brick pattern on your concrete surface, giving it a stylish, textured look without much effort. To keep the finish looking great for a long time, it's best to use a stain that seals the surface after rolling. Each roller costs just $40, which is a great deal for a tool that saves so much time and makes your work look amazing. Whether you're fixing a small patch or covering a big floor, these rollers make the job easier and faster. They help you add creative designs and textures to your concrete that stand out. Icaros Parachute Rocket Red. The Icaros Parachute Rocket Red is a compact emergency tool that could save your life when things go wrong in the wild. Whether you're lost while hiking, stranded on a camping trip, or facing a survival situation, this rocket is made to help rescuers find you fast. With one hand, even underwater, you can launch it into the sky. It shoots up 300 meters and releases a bright red flare that burns for 40 seconds. The light is so powerful, it can be seen from as far as 15 kilometers away, even in the dark. This flare rocket weighs just 420 grams, so it's easy to carry in your backpack or emergency kit. It's trusted by professionals and adventurers around the world and has been in use since 1959, still going strong thanks to its reliable design. Kyoyu Pro G3 Bino Harness. The Kyoyu Pro G3 Bino Harness is a must-have for anyone who uses binoculars in the great outdoors. Whether you're hiking, hunting, or birdwatching, this harness keeps your binoculars safe, dry, and within easy reach. It comes in different sizes to fit all types of binoculars, even the big ones, and its clever strap system makes it super comfortable to wear for hours. One of its standout features is the rail lock system, which lets you attach extra gear like rangefinder or GPS holders easily. The soft shell fabric is waterproof and doesn't make noise, so you won't scare off wildlife when moving. Plus, the lid opens and closes smoothly with just one hand, making it easy to grab your binoculars without slowing down. Lightweight yet tough, the KUIU Pro G3 is built to handle rough environments and long treks. MSR Explore Series Snowshoes. The MSR Explore Series snowshoes are built for outdoor lovers who don't let winter slow them down. These snowshoes are handmade, which means they're designed with great care, top quality, and built to last. Whether you're hiking snowy trails or climbing icy hills, they offer comfort, support, and strength. The Explore Evo model, for example, can handle years of use without wearing out. One of the most loved features is how easy they are to use. The Explore Revo snowshoes come with soft EVA padding for comfort and a ratchet system that lets you quickly strap in or out, even with gloves on. Plus, they have special heel lifts called ergo elevators that make uphill climbs easier by reducing leg strain. If you prefer lightweight gear, the Explore Lightning model is a great choice. It only weighs 1,780 grams per pair. All models, Evo, Revo, and Lightning, are available in men's and women's sizes, so there's a perfect fit for everyone.